Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix skate crashing on Steam. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a fair few different fixes what we can try. So fix number one is open up your Steam client, then click onto library, and now find your skate game, and then we need to go ahead and right click it. So click on right click onto properties, and now we need to go ahead and click on updates tab. Installed files, and from here on the right we need to verify integrity of game files. So verifying these game files in Steam is one of the easiest, most effective ways to fix crashing, missing textures, or launch issues. So basically what it does, Steam scans all the files installed on your PC for your game. It compares them to the official files on Steam servers. Now if anything is missing, corrupted, or modified, Steam will automatically re-download and replace those files. Now, fix number two is to update your graphics drivers. Now, if you're not sure what graphics card you're running, that's okay. We can go ahead and right click the taskbar and then click onto Task Manager. And now from here, go ahead and click onto Performance. From here, we can see our graphics card. So you can see on my computer, I've got GPU 1, NVIDIA GeForce. So from here, I'll basically need to go ahead and make sure my NVIDIA GeForce is up to date and has the latest drivers installed. Now to update your drivers, just go ahead and go to Device Manager. So go ahead and type in Device Manager here, like so. Now that should pop up. Now on here, go ahead and expand Display Adapters. And then right click your graphics card. This is either NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. So as I said, I've got NVIDIA. Now I want to go ahead and click on Update Driver. Now we can go ahead and click on search automatically. And now if you've got the best drivers for your device are already installed, that should be no worries. But if it says install or update, go ahead and update your drivers. Now if you're running any overlays, so if you're using Steam overlay, go ahead and disable them. Any Discord overlays, turn them off, and even NVIDIA or AMD overlays, if enabled, turn that off. And also VPNs, just go ahead and disable them. Now the fourth fix is to go ahead and run the game as administrator. So to do that, just for this demonstration, just go ahead and right click your game on your desktop or in the files, click on to run as administrator, and then that's going to just click onto yes, and then that's going to run your game as administrator. Now the last fix, what we can do is just reinstall or move the game to another drive. So if all else fails, uninstall and reinstall the game, or try moving it to an SSD for better load stability.